What's up, my corporeal friend? I am Whisper, at your service. That's right, folks. Whisper is back, and he's ready for another exciting episode. And that's not all, folks. In this video, we're gonna be drawing the shadow side Whisper. Well, actually, in this video, we're gonna draw Whisper 2040. Yeah, at least that's what it's called. Well, in Yokai Watch Shadow Side, Whisper is a servant of Lord Enma, and he was on a mission to help the bonds between humans and yokai to get along just fine. He found a bunch of good friends to help befriend those yokai who are lost and misguided. He found 4 perfect kids, and well, they managed to befriend a lot thanks to him. They managed to befriend Slimonmander, Jibanyan, Komasan, lots more. Definitely worth one of my favorites. I mean, it's definitely one of my favorite yokai. Sorry I had to say that out loud, but you know it's the truth. Let's give it all we got. So anyways, here's Whisper's bow tie. And based on the way he's dressed up and the way he looks definitely like an exact yokai butler. Definitely the butler that he was meant to be. In your face, very good, sir. Ha ha! I mean, good game, my good man. But you will have to do better if you want to surpass the almighty Whisper. There we go. Okay, so there's his goblin-like face. That's right. Okay, so here's his hand. There's his body here. There we go. There's his ghost tail. And there we go, folks. That's how you draw Whisper 2040. The new and evolved Yokai Butler Whisper. Nothing's gonna surpass him. That's definitely one of my favorites. I know he looked a lot different than in the last series, but I seriously expect him. I never would have expected him to evolve so hard, so powerful. This is definitely one of my favorite and best yokai. Anyways, that's how you draw Whisper 2040. And who was your favorite yokai from the shadow side? Please like and rock and subscribe and leave a comment below. And if you want to see more exciting adventures involving Whisper, just let me know. Alright guys, this is Private Pocrates, Yokai Tactician, signing out. And anyways, Whisper, you take it from here. I'll Stegosaurus see you later.